What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I love poke bowls, and now you can have them at home. Hey, I was at my local grocer and I found this. It's a smoked salmon poke bowl. They actually had an ahi tuna one that said sushi grade tuna, but I didn't get that one. I thought I would just try the first one here, and I love smoked salmon. It's by Blue Hill Bay, and it's a simple little poke bowl, Hawaiian style. Who doesn't love the Hawaiian island food? I actually had these long before I went to Hawaii, but they are just like a Asian rice bowl. So I thought we would check this out. So it comes in this little container here, which is what you will serve it in. You can see a little top here, holds everything together. We have a rice pouch here, which we're just going to microwave. We have a block of diced smoked salmon in this little vacuum sealed pouch. We also have the poke sauce. And then we also have seasonings that should go on top. So the first thing we need to do is go ahead and tear like an inch long slot on the rice here, and then microwave this for 45 to 60 seconds. Heated up the rice here for about 55 seconds, and it just comes out like that. And pretty hot. You can see it's steaming here. I'm just gonna break it up a little bit. Cool. So now we have a little rice base. I'm going to take the smoked salmon. And the other thing I like about this is all the packages can be opened without tools. You can see it just peels apart here. Peel that apart and then dumped the smoked salmon in here. I love smoked salmon, bagels and lox, all that kind of stuff. And then what you might not be able to see is it says it's cubed, and I think it would be. As you can see, it breaks apart there. So I'm just going to go ahead and break it all apart. Oh, I can smell that smoked salmon. It smells just like any other smoked salmon. So if you wanted to mimic a poke bowl on your own, you could probably just dice up a fillet of smoked salmon and use rice at home. So I'm going to just spread that around. Looks good so far. Now I'm going to take the poke sauce here and then just go ahead and I'm going to use all that poke sauce, cross hatch it on there. It smells good. It smells kind of like a teriyaki. And then the spices, which look quite flavorful as well. See a little tear strip right there. So I can open this up and then give this a sprinkle. Oh my gosh, could have dumped it all in one spot there. You could stir this up, mix it up a little bit, but I'm just gonna go in on it right now. Here's my poke bowl, island cuisine, right here in the Midwest. Oh man, that's good. You could put some of your own stuff in here too. Some chives or veggies if you wanted, but I'll tell you what, smoked salmon to me is always good. That sauce is rich, but it's not overly powerful. And the spices on there have a little kick to them. I'm not sure what's in them. Some sesame seeds and a little pepper and stuff like that, but man, that's great. Obviously, this thing isn't huge. You know, if you go to a poke restaurant and order a bowl, usually it's going to be a little bigger than this, but what an easy, quick way to make a meal. This would be perfect for a light, quick lunch. And it's quite a bit more exotic and decadent than a lot of other quick lunches. Oh, that's good. Hey, if you want a poke bowl, it may be as close as picking it up in your local grocer. If I can find these online, I'll put a link to them in the description. Peter Von Panda. Out!